life I've been on, I haven't really made any videos for a long while now. It's been a good 6 weeks, although I have uploaded videos. My last one was about 2 weeks ago. I had surgery on my wrist actually. I had a 4-corner fusion, which if you see some of the videos, I'm always wearing a wrist brace. Over the last, say, 10 years, it's just progressively got worse. It's from an old injury I did years and years ago. It was a repetitive injury where I would keep on spraining it and hurting it, and it got worse and worse. Arthritis set in, and before you know it, I had to have pretty major surgery on it. I had like I said, I had a 4-bone fusion in the wrist, where they join the 4 major bones in your wrist that articulate. They join them together and they fuse them together using staples, and eventually the bone grows together and makes one big bone. And then they remove about 3 bones under it, so then your wrist bone, your actual arm bone, articulates against your nearly went off the road there. It articulates against your wrist bone. So that's a 6 to 8 week minimum cast sort of thing, and then a splint after that with rehabilitation after that. Today I'm heading to a local car show. It's held by the Whiskey City Cruisers out of Bardstown, Kentucky. Good little car club actually. I'm not a member of them, but I do go to their events. Not much into car clubs and stuff like that anymore. I did when I was younger, back home in Australia. I was quite involved with a couple of car clubs and car shows back there. I've got a lot of things going on with my cars. One's getting a power steering conversion. That's my Blue 57 right-hand drive 150. I'll be putting a new power steering box in that. So using a mixture of different steering boxes and parts to get that working, and you'll see as I make that conversion. And my big block 57 gas arm, that needs the engine pulled out of it, change hopefully just the bearings. I think we might have too much clearance between the bearings and the crank. It's got bad oil pressure, guys. It's got practically no oil pressure. When it's cold, it's got 30 pounds, but it quickly drops down to like 5 pounds at idle. And I know the big blocks don't really have a lot of, especially the 502s and stuff, don't have a lot of oil pressure, but I don't like it. I mean, I want to see what's going on, you know what I mean? It doesn't make any noises or anything, but when you're sitting at the set of lights and it's getting close to being, you know, under 5 pounds of pressure, you want to know what's going on, right? So we're going to pull it out, pull off the pan, and hopefully it just needs some bearings rolled in and a new oil pump. So I'm just turning on the highway here on the bluegrass here, heading towards Bardstown. So yeah, so I want to do that to the big block, get that all organised, make a video of that, and then have a good season of car shows and doing all sorts of stuff. I've got so much stuff to do. The 57 four-door that we put the new frame on, I've got to repair the tail pan on that. Some of the floor has to be, the rear floor has to be fixed and attached, and yeah, there's other stuff I've got to do. So guys, please like, subscribe. I know this intro was a bit long, but like I said, like and subscribe. 238 people have notifications set. Gee, I'd love that to be 2,000. That'll be great. So if you can, hit the notification bell. It takes 1 second to go. Click notify, and don't forget, please like it. Even if you don't like it, no, I'm just kidding. But let me know if you don't like it. I want to know if I'm doing something wrong. So I try to make good content. I'm not a big mainstream YouTube guy. My plan is to be one, but hey, I'm not going to stress about it. If I get there, I get there. Great, So please, guys, like, subscribe, and hit the notification tab. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys. So this is the Bardstown Whiskey City Cruisers first show of the year, and let's do a walk around. Here's a nice power ram here. It's a clean truck. Like that. Mopar designed these with the engine set across like that. You can tell by the center of the radiator cap here to the center of the engine, it's off to one side. See that? Still, pretty cool car. handbrake yet.
Exit 94 on Tunnel Hill Road. 270-737-7600.
Love, it's not the problem, right guys? It's shopping for that diamond. How do I know who I can trust? I just want my money's worth.
Just give us 10 minutes at Davis Jewelers and you'll have the knowledge and confidence you need to buy the most beautiful diamonds.
And if she doesn't say, wow, this is the most beautiful diamond I've ever seen, bring it back in for a full refund. I'm Davis.
And I'm Ashley Davis, here at our famous Davis Diamond. You'll find 3 to 4 times gorgeous certified loose diamonds. You'll find the average
Diversity and slick of every diamond. Maximum brilliance, beauty, and value. Directly from the world's finest diamond cutters.
We guarantee the best price in Kentuckiana.
Here's our promise. Give her a Davis diamond.
There you go. Come with me. We'll find them. We'll find them. I'm looking for them too. I bet you. They already left. Okay. Well, you found somebody that you can hang out with.
He's not where it is.
It was a super day. That's the rare one. That's the big motors on the heavy stuff. I've been looking for one, but I've bought a lot of stuff I haven't.
Well, the guy that he might go.
'57.
I thought it was a 57, but I know there's so many 50 somethings, it's confusing sometimes.
57, 55, 55.
I knew it had to be a 57, but I wasn't sure because the sharp tail fins
Yeah.
back there, so that kind of gave it away.
No, she's a 57.
I don't know if those are on everything.
Yep, they're called rockets, hood rockets.
Good rockets. You a YouTuber?
Yes, I am. Tri-5 guy. I just do these cars mostly, but I'm doing all sorts of cars today.
Yeah. I'll make sure to subscribe.
Do you know the name?
Tri-5
guy.
guy.
That's it.
All right.
Thanks, buddy.
He used to race over at Lebanon, did he?
It's not.
Try every kind of tune and every kind of fuel plan. It doesn't make much difference. It does on booty. Makes it fire drive. You can't really get around them alcohol and methanol unless you got a mask on. God, this shit's
Oh, wow. Unibody. I love these. These are cool. Probably the only real F100 I like is the unibody. I think they're cool. Pretty cool.
Alta truck, because a friend of mine, I work for Newcomb Oil Company, and he worked there too. And he's always told me, man, you need to come see my truck. I never got a chance because he got killed in the truck wreck.
I felt so
South
bad
Florida.
for it because
And I was told her.
My friend's pretty thin on her.
Tony, I'll see you.
All right, take care of yourself. See you, Hannah. Bye.
Then I bought this truck.
I thought, where's mine at? I seen him up there. I was up there all night. Who's up there? See you. All right.
See you guys.
I'd say salad up there. They got the best salad bar here. Where's that at? Cattleman's at Dan.
They do have good salad.
We went last night down there at Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah.
Trying to get there to go watch a movie. Went in there, it's an hour and 45 minute west. So I went over at that straight across at Outlaw
Right, barbecue.
Steak. It's pretty damn good.
Was.
We got right in.
Yeah, we got wise where we turn around and go
That's it for this video, guys. If you could, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.